Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and this is Sandhya Singh here. Today I'm sharing with you simplest remedy. I think it's the simplest remedy that I can share with you for your white and gray hair to turn them into black. And this video is the second part or you can say second remedy that I'm giving you for turning your turning your gray and white hair into black. Yeah, exactly. As you can see, I have no white hair at all. So you see, I have no white hair, no gray hair at all because I'm using this remedy since 6 months, and yes, the result is really effective. The remedy is super simple, and I was doing it unknowingly that this remedy is actually helpful in turning your gray hair into white. But now I get to know that, oh my god, this remedy is actually helpful in turning your gray hair into black too. And I was so surprised and I was thinking, oh my god, that's why my hair are so black. Okay, so let's begin with the remedy. So the products you will gonna need for this simplest remedy is castor oil and coconut oil. Tan-ta! I think nothing is easiest than this. So the quantity you will gonna need is 1:2 for oily scalp. I mean half of castor oil, then I will take full bottle of coconut oil. So the ratio will be 1:2 for oily scalp and 1:1 for dry scalp. If you have dandruff, dry scalp issues, then take coconut oil and castor oil in 1:1 quantity. So this will not only helpful in turning black your white hair into black, but also gonna help you to deal with dry scalp problems. As my scalp is oily, so I'm taking the half bottle of castor oil and full bottle of coconut oil. Okay, so this is a ratio. Next, you need to double boil this process like so. I have already put some water on heat to make it hot, and next I am putting my oil bowl in that hot water, and I'm gonna leave it for a few minutes until the oil turn lukewarm. Okay, so let's wait for a few minutes and keep checking it. Once you get the desired hotness, then you can what I'm saying, I mean to say, once the oil get hot enough, you can put it down and can use it to apply it into your scalp. And how I do is, I usually comb my hair before oiling. I mean always comb my hair to avoid any hair fall. Actually, this reduce hair fall up to 50%. Now I divide my hair into two sections, and then I take a small section, and with the help of cotton I apply oil to each and every root. Castor oil boosts blood circulation to the follicles. It contains omega-6 essential fatty acids that promote hair health and hair darkening. It helps hair to retain its pigmentation and boost blood circulation in the scalp. So overall, castor oil is very good to turn your white hair into black. Give it a try. And why I'm using this with coconut oil? Because it will double the qualities of castor oil. You know how good coconut oil is. I mean, I can't even list the benefits of coconut oil, as it has unlimited, uncountable benefits. So as you know, coconut oil is also my favorite oil. I mean, I just love coconut oil, and I use this in various way, in various issues, not only in hair care. So yes, this is how mixing of castor oil and coconut oil is very good and beneficial for your white and gray hair. And not even this, if you be regular with this oil, then you will don't suffer any kind of dandruff problem, dry scalp problem, frizz hair problem, tangled hair problem. I mean, no more hair. According to me, if you want healthy hair, do oiling, proper oiling, at least 3 months. And that's my personal experience, what I'm sharing with you, that it took me 3 months to get healthy hair. Whenever I burnt my hair while ironing, while straightening, or whenever I suffer hair fall due to using any wrong shampoo, wrong conditioner, It took me at least 3 months. After 1 month it start giving you result. In second month you will achieve at least 70% results, and by third month you will get your 100% result. Your desired result is in your hand. So be regular with the home remedies. You know how home remedies are. They take lots of time to give result, but they are actually effective. And one more thing, if you are allergic of any of the oil, then do not do this remedy. Leave me in comment that you are allergic. I will give you any other option, any other remedy. And if you have any query regarding this, if by chance I forgot to tell you anything that is actually important, then let me know. So this is how I apply oil, and I think this is the best way to apply oil, because this way your each and every root get oil. Do this like so. And few things that I do: I never comb my hair after oiling. I just braid it uncombed and leave it for at least 8 hours. I don't touch my hair, don't disturb them at least for 8 hours, and then I wash off, or next morning I wash off, and I directly comb them after washing them. And sometime I do it before hair wash. Okay, and while washing your hair, while giving them a good rinse, don't bring shampoo, don't apply shampoo on your length. Apply shampoo only to your scalp area to remove the extra oil from your scalp, but do not apply the oil on length, because when you do so, all get removed by length and it makes your hair again dry, frizzy and tangled. So keep this in mind. Another tip is, whenever you wash your hair, if you are suffering hair fall, then do not use tap water, because sometimes tap water is salty, sometimes is sweet, sometimes is harsh, sometimes is soft. So do not use it. Use only filtered water. This will actually enhance the quality and benefits of oiling, and whatever hair care remedy you are trying, it will automatically enhance it. Another tip that I forgot to give you is, if you are suffering hair fall problem, then do not massage your scalp after hair oiling, and you just need to give 30-second massage that I'm showing you, likewise I'm showing you in video. But do not give 5 minutes 10 minutes massage, because your roots are already open. That's why you are suffering hair fall. After 1 month you can massage your scalp, but till 1 month do not massage it for 5 to 10 minutes. Apply oil, give it a slight massage. 30-second massage is enough, just to spread oil to each and everywhere, each and every part of your scalp, and then leave it. Okay, do not overdo it. And you can see that there is less hair fall, there is so much difference in your hair. Sorry for the background disturbance, as I am in park, don't mind that. Okay, so I hope you have find this video helpful, and yes, do try it. This is actually simplest remedy according to me. I can't tell you any simple remedy than this, I'm sure. And as you know, there are numerous remedies are available for each single issue. So among all those remedies for turning your white hair into grey, I think this one is the simplest, and for me this is on the top. So just try this remedy. Get back to me after 1 month. Share your results with me. If you have any query, any request, anything, just leave that in comment section. I will be back soon in my next video. And till the next time, don't forget to like my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel, and do leave your hair query, skin query and health query in comment. I will surely get back to you soon. Till the next time, thank you for watching this video, and bye bye. Have a very nice day. Bye.